So we're going to build an outdoor cabinet for a TV. I'm really into flags these days. One of the reasons I built a CNC in the first place was so I could cut large parts without having to manhandle them through a table saw. Right now I'm cutting the 3/4 inch back, and that's going to make it easy for mounting the cabinet and the TV. And then I cut one large piece right down the center so that I could get green match in the doors. And I laid the doors out on the CNC the same as they would be on the front of the cabinet, and traced out all the lines of the flag. Then I used all the trace lines as guides to stain the perimeter area, and then worked my way all the way around, and then started on the inside with the blue and red. And once I was done staining, I traced out the outline of the flag again, this time just a little bit deeper, clean it up and give it better defined lines. And after I traced the flag, I engraved the stars, which really shows the true magic of a CNC. And sprayed a clear coat on it to protect it from the elements from the outdoors. The cabinet's designed to take a 50-inch TV, but right now we're just going to house a 40-inch. Always room for growth.